Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Emily Cares, your trusted space for women's wellness. If you experience painful menstrual cramps, bloating, or mood swings during your period, you are not alone. Today, we're talking about a gentle yet powerful solution, essential oils for menstrual relief. Let's dive into how these plant-based remedies can help reduce pain, relax your body, and support hormonal balance all naturally and safely. Why essential oils? Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that have healing properties. When used correctly, they can help relax muscles that cause cramping, reduce inflammation, ease stress and anxiety, support hormonal balance. Now let's look at the top essential oils for menstrual cramps. Number 1. Lavender oil. Lavender is known for its calming effects. It helps relax tense muscles and reduce stress, both common triggers during your cycle. How to use: add a few drops to a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage on your lower abdomen twice a day. Number 2. Clary sage oil. This oil is a hormone balancer. It helps reduce cramping, improve circulation, and calm your mood. How to use: mix 2 drops with a tablespoon of carrier oil and apply to your abdomen. You can also inhale it for stress relief. Number 3. Peppermint oil. The cooling sensation of peppermint helps soothe muscle pain and reduce bloating. How to use: dilute with a carrier oil and gently rub onto your belly. Avoid using too close to bedtime, as it can be stimulating. Number 4. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus helps reduce inflammation and promotes relaxation. It's also great for headaches that come with PMS. How to use: add to a diffuser or mix into a warm compress for your lower abdomen. DIY quick massage blend: mix the following in a small glass bottle. 5 drops lavender, 5 drops clary sage, 3 drops peppermint, 2 tablespoons sweet almond or coconut oil. Massage gently during the first few days of your cycle or whenever cramps begin. Always dilute essential oils before applying to the skin. Do a patch test first to check for sensitivity. Avoid internal use unless directed by a qualified practitioner. If pregnant or have a medical condition, consult your doctor first. Essential oils are a beautiful, natural way to support your body. They don't just relieve cramps, they help you feel more in control, calm, and connected during your cycle. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dr. Emily Cares for more women's wellness tips. Share your favorite oil or remedy in the comments. We love hearing from you. Take care, and here's to a more comfortable, balanced cycle naturally.